Right then, back on the beach. Yesterday I was out. Yesterday evening, start again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back on the beach again. Yes, I'm at Bournemouth still. Yesterday when I was out, there was a group of volleyball people that were playing on the beach, and they lost one of their pegs. Quite an expensive peg apparently. So I'm going to look for it and place it where I told them I'd place it. Fingers crossed we find it. If we do find it, you're going to see it. Enjoy. See it the first hole. Whether it be that peg or whether it be something else. Thank you very much. Oh, I found my gloves, by the way. Thank you very much. All right, first hole. 76 solid. Don't know what that is. It's in the scoop anyway. Just a bit of aluminium. As I say, I'm not too sure what this other thing is. Let's have a look. No, I haven't got a clue. It's a magnet by some sort, I think. But yeah, I don't know. No, I haven't got a clue. There you go. Two bits out the same hole. Right, yesterday I was asked, yesterday evening I was out, and there were some guys playing volleyball. They've lost one of their pegs. They've asked me to come out. So I wandered over one of theirs, and it was coming up on the Deus as a minus 5 to minus 7. Well, I got a minus 5 to minus 4, minus 4 to minus 5 here. And believe it or not, that's the peg they're missing. I've literally been here 5 minutes, but that's the peg they were after. So there you go. One peg found. I will place it where I told them I was going to place it. So hopefully they will come down later and find it. Yeah, great news. Glad to have found it for them. But you probably can't see the size of the hole. The size of the hole's there. Bloody ring pull. Should have known really. 61, 62. Never mind. 93 all around. Could be just a 2p or something, but could be something decent. Could be a car, little toy car. Oh no, what's that? Could be a battery or a padlock. What is it? Neither. Oh, who's smoking that crap? Oh, just a bit of aluminium. It beeps. Look what I just found. I don't know what's inside it. Nothing. I don't know what it was on. Is it the one from Toy Story? There you go. Things you find on the beach. An 88, 89. It could be a penny. It could be a vape. It could be a pound coin. Let's just see what it is. It's out. It's out. Oh, it's in the scoop. No, it's a ring. It's a ring instead. I'd say that's silver. Looking at that. So it's 2 days on this beach and 2 days I found a ring. And I'm gonna say 100% that is silver. So the Deus 2 does it again. Can't see any hallmarks. Can't see any hallmarks. Well, there you go. It's quite heavy. One ring. It's 89 to 90. In a scoop. A penny. Yeah, 1 pence. Oh, just got a 5p piece. Just got a 5p. So I didn't show it digging, but there's been a young lad running around me and he's got nothing on. So I couldn't really film. Yesterday I found a mobile phone. Have I found another one? Or was it a power bank? No, it's a power bank.
I'm sorry.
That's definite power bank. 10,000 milliamp. I'd say it's blistered a little bit, so I'm not even going to bother trying to see if I can get that to work, but there you go, one power bank. Oh, so 63, it ended up being a key. 63 for a key. I was expecting a ring pull. There you go, one key. 60, 61. Looks like a little person's lightsaber. I think it goes on the end of a fishing line as a light at night, possibly. If not, then it's a lightsaber. Oh dear. It's out. It's in the scoop. That looks like a dog tag. I'll just turn it away a minute. Yeah, I can't show it either side because it's got name and numbers everywhere. But yeah, dog tag. I'll do it that way. There you go, look. Dog's name's Young. Oh no, that'll be probably the surname of the people. It doesn't say the dog's name on it. But yeah, definite dog tag. Looks like it might be very local, so I might even be able to post that through their door. And there you go. I'll just cover that up like that. So yeah, so there you go. I think it's a big bit of tin actually. 98, 99. It's got a bit of rubbish I would have thought. It's out. Maybe not. in the scoop. That is a high number for a 2p piece. 2p. There you go. Was not expecting that. Possibly a ring pull. It's 59 solid. They've been normally coming up in 60s. That's out. Oh, it is a ring pull. It is a ring pull. Never mind. Alright then, what can I say? Yet again, another few hours this time on the beach, not two. Yeah, got another ring. I got some toy head from Toy Story. A power bank of all things. Found a power bank in the sand, and probably 2 or 3 coins. Not very many, and not a lot of money either. Probably about 8p, I think it was. Might have been a little bit more, but I think it was about 8p. A few ring pulls, but yeah, apart from that, enjoyable. Nice walk. I think I've done probably about 4 miles, 5 miles maybe on the beach. But yeah, see you at the next. Thanks for following. Thanks for getting this far. If you're not already subscribed, please do. If you haven't given me a thumbs up, again, please do. And if you're interested in getting 10% off LP on most items, then use offer code OPS10. That's OPS10 at checkout, and you will get 10% off most items. Thank you very much. Much appreciated, and see you at the next, whenever that may be. Thank you.